Hi, I'm Morgan Freeman. This is not a video about bears or wildlife. It's about stats. Wake up.
I'm a Popa.
You can't do that. That's not cool, dude.
Okay. Let's just solve this math problem.
Two sample tea.
Hi, I'm not the Pope, and this is our 2 sample tea tutorial. Included we have Josh, we have Brandon, we have Alex, we have Dylan, and we have Rachel. Here we go. 2 sample tea. We're gonna break it down. First of all, it's 2 samples. Alright, 2 samples. Write it.
2 samples.
2 samples, we got that. Next, 2 sample tea. So it's a T.
Yes, there's a letter.
It's a T. And it's a test. Test. As opposed to interval. Isn't that right, board holder?
Yes.
It's right. Alright. Test or phantom. Right? Or panic.
Fine.
Because you can also use panic.
But don't you have to use panic after the phantom?
Not necessarily. Come over the HO and HA, but we'll explain all that, won't we? Yes, we will. Isn't that right, board holder?
Yes.
Okay.
So confused.
Off camera, I do it.
2 instead of 1. Why not 1 or 1? Because we have 2 samples. 2 samples. 2 samples. We have 2 samples. In our problem, we have night owls and
Owls doesn't have an E.
Yeah, you misspelled owls.
it has an E. Night owls and early birds.
Misspelled owls for the win.
Shut up.
I'm not really the Pope.
We could tell.
Okay.
Okay. Because I'm not 80 and don't have crow's hands.
Okay.
We understand. Just go, because we're
But,
filming.
okay. So, what were we doing?
Z and T. What's it?
Okay. Z and T. It's a T. It is Z versus
Heads in the
T
way.
in the epic battle.
Zust. That's what it looks like. It looks like
This
Zust.
is a BS.
V.
Alright, so what do we got?
Z, strange letter, T. We have a T. T wins.
Why?
Guess
Because-
why?
Why is
Because
it-
we do not know the standard deviation of the population,
we don't know sigma.
which is abbreviated with sigma.
It's a crappy Sigma.
It is. I am not Greek. I do not write Greek letters regularly. Okay, this is a test because we're not trying to estimate something. Intervals we try to say, oh, the mean is between here and here. But this is a test because we want to say, okay, do these people do better at this than those people at this? There were a whole lot of demonstrative adjectives in that sentence. Okay, so this is a test. Test wins.
Exactly. So what are our hypotheses? That's the next question.
Well, pause. So, when you are doing a test like we're doing, use the acronym PHANTOM.
Like the toast.
P
Of
for
the
what?
opera. P for, just like in population. I am too lazy to write it, so I'm going to try pop.
H4.
Nice pop.
Hypothesis.
Hooray.
Hypo, which sounds like a surgery.
A4.
A for assumptions.
Yay.
Those things that you just assumed.
N
N for.
I do. N
Yes,
for
yes.
name your test.
We're sorry, Miss Gail. We totally forgot that.
Yeah. T4.
T for
T4 virus.
You're actually 10.
your actual test.
O4.
Oh.
We're not quite sure. It's just a letter we threw in there. Just to
Yeah,
make
it's
it
a-
work.
it's a-
Observations.
Observations, that's it.
I'm so good.
And
M4. Make conclusions. Why wouldn't it C? Fantalk. That's not really a word. So, we got it. Let's review.
Pop. Hype.
Not saying that word. Name test, alpaca, and alpaca. We get it.
Observations and make conclusions. You'll just assume.
Delicious. P. What's our population?
Our population is everybody who sleeps.
Everyone who sleeps.
Okay. Population is everyone who sleeps.
Everyone.
So that includes, I don't know, insomniacs and cyborgs.
Cyborgs.
And
Neither-
zombies.
And
Excludes them.
Do zombies sleep?
It excludes them.
Excludes.
No, they don't. They're the
Zombies
walking.
don't
They're the
sleep.
living dead. They don't need to sleep anymore.
Okay, except
So,
for Cell.
what don't we need? What cannot we not include in our population? So that's the population. Give me an H. H.
Isn't it hypothesis? Is that a word?
Yes, sure. Hypothesis is. Here we go.
Hypothesis.
What are our hypotheses? H-O.
H-O.
This covers part of A.
H-O is that your people who wake up late have the same dream retention as the people who wake up early.
Answer. All right. H-A.
Okay, and this is mean dream retention of early birds, and this is mean dream retention of night owls.
Yes.
I.e. people who go to bed early and people who go to bed late.
Late.
That-
Early, late. Early equals late.
Early equals late.
All right. How about H-A?
This is mean for